Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Libra placements. Okay, so end of the month, love reading pagdating sa person on your mind mo. Okay. Okay, on your mind mo. Ano daw? Oo, iba talagang nagagawa kapag ang aga. Okay. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, so Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay, let's see. Who is the person on your mind, Libra? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron dyan sa taong yan? Para malaman mo na siya yan. Okay, na siya itong i-read natin, Libra. Okay. Anong meron sa person mo? The Knight of Swords. Some of you, meron kayong back and forth communication ng taong to. Actually, no? So, that's specific. Ano tong Knight of Swords universe? Knight of Swords. The Four of Pentacles. Okay, so ito na. Ito na. So, this person is holding back. No? Holding back pagdating sa communication. So, maybe this person, gusto niyang makipag-usap sa'yo. Okay? Gusto niyang makipag-usap sa'yo, but they are holding back. Okay? Holding back. Ano po yun? Pinipilit po na huwag. O like, sabihin nating nagkikim-kim. Parang pinipigil yung sarili na kausapin ka. So, maybe ikaw rin ganun ka pagdating sa kanya. Some of you, the Knight of Swords, this is air sign. So, maybe ikaw yung gustong mag-reach out. Ikaw yung gustong makipag-usap sa taong to. But yeah, this person is holding back. The Four of Pentacles, may chance na earth sign itong taong to. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Yeah. May nangyaring cut off actually. Yung iba naman sa inyo may nangyaring pag-cut off. Biglang yes, nandyan yung communication pero biglang may nag-end. Like that. Biglang may nawala. Okay, let's see. Ano situation ninyo ngayon, Libra? Libra, situation. The Page of Pentacles. Puro komunikasyon to. Some of you, may chance na someone is younger. Okay, may age gap. What's with the Page of Pentacles? Situation, please. Page of Pentacles. May chance na parang may mangyayari or may nangyayaring parang simula. Okay, may mga nagsisimula. Tingnan natin itong Page of Pentacles. The Four of Cups in reversed. Meron na nagsisimulang parang manghinayang or yeah, I think some of you nag-expect dito sa sitwasyon na to na mag-grow. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Someone is sa sitwasyon po, meron na ditong parang talagang gustong mag-reach out pero they don't know how. Like, wala silang ganun na confident sa sarili nila na kausapin yung isa. Yes. Four of Cups in reverse. This is pagbibigay na or pagpapakita ng totoong emosyon or kung ano man. Okay? The Page of Coins. This is message. Okay. May narinig ako. Merong nag-reach out. And yun yung isang dahilan kung bakit nag-step back yung isa. Opo, may nag-step back. Okay, so I don't know. Feeling na na-overwhelm yung isa. Okay. Let's see. Anong emosyon niya? Okay? Tingnan natin anong emosyon ng taong to sa'yo. Libra. What's their true emotion? Like deep, deep, deep down. The Hierophant. Okay. And the Queen of Swords. Yeah, they're too cold. detached. Pero ito ang nakikita ko sa taong to, the Hierophant, this is commitments. Like, nandun yung kagustuhan ng taong to pagdating sa'yo. Andoon yung intention ng taong to na sabihin nating clean. Good intention. I don't know bakit siya the Queen of Wands Universe. Wala talagang wala talagang ganung lakas ng loob itong taong to na reach out. I don't know why. Yeah. Feeling intimidated like that. Pero they're not going anywhere. They're not going anywhere. Nandyan lang yung mga yan. Kung sino man yan, nandyan lang siya. Okay? Hindi to lalayo. Hindi yan lalayo. Some of them nakakaramdam sila ng sabihin nating strong connection with you. Yeah. Sa totoo lang. So, kaya parang ganun nakakatakot ka naman. Parang ganun. Natatakot siya. Hindi malayong may mga nag-reach out sa inyo, mga Libra. And yun yung dahilan kung bakit nag-step back itong taong to. Na-overwhelmed siya. Like, hindi ko ma-explain. Okay? Pero hindi to lalayo. Hindi kanya lalayuan. Okay? So, what's their next action, Libra? Anong next action ng taong to? So, their feeling, emotion is cold, silent. Pero yeah, they're not going anywhere. Okay, so ano ang next action niya towards you, Libra? The Empress in reversed. Wala talaga tong What's with the Empress in reversed? The Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. Eventually, the Nine of Wands in reverse, may chance na mag-open up ito, pero hindi agad-agad. Okay, yeah, the Two of Swords in reverse, it depends. Sa kung ano magiging, decision nila. It's up to them kung anong decision nila. Pero, nakukuha ko na hindi ito parang nagmamadali. Okay? Hindi sila nagmamadali. Alam nila kung kailan sila gagawa ng action towards you. Parang ganyan. So, yeah. Some of them, yun nga, na-intimidate. Sa totoo lang. Yeah, the Page of Wands, the Three of Swords. Some of them, takot sila na parang kung anong masasabi mo sa kanila. Parang ganon. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse. May yung iba sa inyo you're feeling this strong connection with this person, pero sabihin natin hindi pa nila maramdaman kung anong nararamdaman mo, pero there's like a magnet na talagang nagpupul sa inyo dito sa sitwasyon na to. Pero yes, hanggat lumalayo yung isa, nandun yung struggle. Okay? Nandun yung struggle ng taong to. Yes, they're silent. Yes, they're cold. Pero, yeah, ramdam nila yung connection na meron. Actually. Yeah. Meron ditong natakot. Sa totoo lang. May na-overwhelmed. Like, nagulat. Hindi ko alam parang ganon yung emosyon. Merong nag-open up dito, and yun yung isang dahilan kung bakit lumayo yung isa. Okay? So, ano ba ang advice? Okay, advice/outcome. Okay, the Five of Swords in reversed. So, I think this is like clearing the air, or pagalis muna ng mga kung ano mang isipin, like see, the Ace of Wands, the Four of Wands. Ooh, this is a strong connection talaga. Some of you may chance ng twin flame. Yeah, twin flame connection. May nagsabi sa akin, it's like a runner and a chaser. So, kung ikaw itong umahabol, Libra, may chance na nagiging runner itong person mo. Pero, yes, you're feeling the same way. Pero someone is, I think, nilalabanan yung emosyon na pwedeng nararamdaman sa'yo. Okay? So, may chance rito. Five of Swords in reverse and the Ace of Wands. Someone will, sabihin nating magkakaroon ng leveling up. Okay? So, kung anong sitwasyon nyo ngayon, may chance na magkaroon ng pag-level up. No? Kung hindi kayo nag-uusap ngayon, may chance na mag-usap kayo. Parang ganon. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, this person is, they're not going anywhere. Yun nga ang sabi ko. Hindi to lalayo sa energy mo. They're not. Okay, they're not going anywhere. Hindi yan lalayo sa energy mo. Para kasing mayroong nagpupul, like humihila sa inyong dalawa palapit. Parang ganyan. Because yeah, this is a strong connection. The Four of Wands. Some of you twin flame. Twin flame connection itong nakukuha natin. Okay? Yeah. O, diba? Some of you may chance na same gender kayo. Yes. Okay. Diba ha? If you're feeling the runner and chaser energy, kung ikaw itong kung ikaw itong chaser, focus ka muna sa ibang bagay. Oo, focus ka muna sa ibang bagay, wag muna sa kanya. Yes. Okay? The moon. May mga lalabas at lalabas. May mga makikita at makikita. Okay, answers, clarity. Yeah. So, as simple as messages. Okay? See, the Lovers. Kinat ko lang yun. Lovers. This is twin flame. Okay, twin flame energy. Kinat ko lang siya. No, diba? You have this strong connection with this person. Actually. Okay. So, yun ang ating nakikita. Oo, pagdating sa inyo, Libra placements. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.